We've designed professional learning goals and activities for the teachers at the High School of Arts and Technology and staff. The first professional learning goal would be to integrate diverse literary voices and perspectives into the curriculum, reflecting on the cultural backgrounds and experiences of the student body. This is especially important since in 2022, we transitioned to using two new curriculums, one for mathematics, illustrative mathematics, and one for English, HMH. We noticed in speaking with the teachers, but also observing that the students were not as engaged in the curriculum. And many teachers felt that the curriculum did not support the demographics of students that we served. So one activity would be to engage in workshops and professional development sessions that are designed to explore and deepen the understanding of culturally relevant teaching practices and curriculum design. So really we would start off, what does it mean to be culturally relevant? How do we design culturally relevant lessons based on the curriculum? And how do we keep our students at the forefront of this work together?